In this video, we will see how to auto-apply the coupon via a checkbox in WooCommerce cart blocks. Start by adding this code using the Code Snippets plugin. Install and activate the plugin from the WordPress admin panel if you haven't already. Paste the provided code and activate it. Next, visit the front end of your store. Add any product to the cart and navigate to the cart page. Make sure the cart page that you are using is the new WooCommerce cart blocks layout. Below the product table, you should see a checkbox labeled Get 10% off instantly when you complete your purchase today. When you select the checkbox, the coupon should be applied automatically. However, if the specific coupon does not exist in WooCommerce, an error will appear. If you uncheck the checkbox, the coupon will be removed. Proceed to checkout with the checkbox selected, and you'll notice that the coupon remains applied throughout the checkout process. Without any hassle, you can apply the discount just with a click.